Hi, my lovely Year 4 students. Welcome to your math teacher, Miss Shiva. Okay, we're going to start Chapter 9, Decimals, Lesson 1. Reading and writing decimals smaller than 1. So this is what we're going to learn today. When we divide one whole into 10 equal parts, each part is 1/10 or 1/10 of the whole. Okay, what does that mean? So as I just read the question, when we divide one whole, this is from here to here is one whole. Okay, now we're going to divide this in 10 equal pieces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I divide it in 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10. This one means the one that I colored is the shaded one. And 10 means we have 10 parts. And once we want to say it, we can say 1/10 or 1/10 of the whole. So we say it as a fraction form, which is 1/10. Also can be written as decimal. That's how we learn it now, which is 1/10 that you see here. In decimal, the place value starts from 10th. So let me write it down here for you. 0, 1. 1 has the place value of 10th. So that's why we call it 1/10. 0.1 is a decimal. So look at this lovely student. She's saying we read the decimal 0.1 as 0.1. 0.1. So the decimal point, we can call it point. 0.1, 0.2. I'm going to give you more examples, don't worry. And this student is thinking, oh, what is that? It's a decimal point. He's paying very good attention. He's listening very carefully. Okay, so the dot, this is one thing. I'm going to put the star. The dot, this, in a decimal is called the decimal point. So now we know what the name of that point is. It's called decimal point. Perfect. Another example, part B. In this whole, 6 out of 10 equal parts are shaded. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 out of 10 equal parts, which means we have a whole, we divide it in 10, then we shaded only 6 pieces. That's exactly what we see here. So this is as if we write it as a fraction form, it's 6/10. 6/10 of the whole is shaded, meaning we have 10 equal parts, we shaded 6 part of that 10 equal parts. 6/10 is 6/10 or 0.6. So these are different way of saying 6/10, because now we're learning how to say a fraction as a decimal format. Now look at this student. This is thinking, we read the decimal 0.6 as 0.6. Just the way you see it, that's the way you say it. Easy peasy. Let's do part C. In this whole, 10 out of 10 equal parts are shaded. Let's take a look. Yes, we divided this to 10 equal parts and we shaded all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We shaded all the 10 parts. Each part, each one of these is 1/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/8, 8/10, 9/10, and 10/10. Remember, when we have 10/10, when we have the same number, it means one whole. So that's exactly what's talking about here. I'm going to choose a different color, orange, for you. This is a very important point. 10/10 of the whole is shaded. 10/10 is 10/10 or 1. 10/10 is equal to 1. So it doesn't matter. I can say I have one whole, or I can say I have 10/10. So 10/10 is equal to 1. Again, we're showing it here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0.1, which is equal to 1 whole. Okay? Let's take a look at this one now. I'm going to erase these parts for you so you can see it much better. I'm going to choose a different color for you this time, purple, my favorite color. What is the length of this string? We have a string. Look, can you see this blue string? I'm going to zoom in. You see this string? I'm going to point at it. It might be hard to see. Look at this string. So now I'm using a ruler. So if you want, go take grab a ruler and take a string and measure it, just the way this boy is doing. The string is shorter than 1 centimeter. That's true. This string is very short because from here to here is 1 centimeter. But this string doesn't touch the 1 centimeter. So it's shorter than 1 centimeter. Divide 1 centimeter into 10 equal parts. Yes, when we zoom in, we can see the small parts. You see these small ones? You see these small ones? The string is as long as 7 out of the 10 equal parts. That's correct. From 0 to 1 is equal to 10 equal parts. And this string covers the 7 part of those. So the length of the string is 7/10 centimeters. How do we say 7/10 centimeters as a decimal format? We say 0.7 or 7/10, whichever is easier to say it. So this string is 0.7 centimeters. Perfect. Now we learn how to do that as well.